This video will demonstrate how to log out of 3 essential applications used at Reynolds Community College: Google Mail, Canvas, and EAB Navigate. Logging out of any software or application is extremely important for the protection of your own data and privacy, especially if you are using a public computer on campus. First up, Google Mail. All Reynolds faculty, staff, and students have access to Google Mail through their VCCS email account. To log out of Google Mail, locate and click on the VCCS Google account icon in the top right corner of the page. On the Google account pop-up menu, click the Sign Out button. You may be taken to the My VCCS home screen. If you are, locate and click on the Sign Out link in the top right corner of the page under your name. Or some of you may be taken to the My Reynolds home screen. If so, locate and click on the Sign Out link in the top right corner of the page, also under your name. A successful logout will return you to the My VCCS or My Reynolds login page. You are now safe to close your web browser. Next up, Canvas. As of summer 2019, all colleges in the VCCS migrated from the Blackboard to the Canvas LMS. To log out of Canvas, locate and click on the account link in the global navigation. In the account menu, click Log Out under your name. Please note, you have not completely signed out. Once you have logged out of Canvas, you will be directed to the My VCCS home screen. From this screen, find and locate the Sign Out link in the top right corner of the page under your name. A successful logout will return you to the My VCCS login page. Last up, EAB Navigate. For students to log out of Navigate, locate and click Log Out in the top right corner of the page. To log out and navigate staff, which includes faculty users, locate and click on your account profile in the top right corner of the page, then select Log Out. A successful logout will return you to either the My Reynolds or Navigate login page. Students can find PDF tutorials on how to log out of each of these applications on the Student Technology Support page. Faculty and staff can find PDF tutorials on the Technology Training Services tutorial webpage under Teaching Resources, which is located on the intranet.